Chinita Food and Travel.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Chinita Food and Travel. I'm about to head off to see Señora Mari from El Rincón de María because I would like to know how to make traditional creamy Mexican rice pudding, Arroz con Leche. Now before we head off, if you want to see more content about Mexican gastronomy and Mexican culture, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Let's go. Te amo.
Vamos a hacer un arroz con leche con la receta de la abuela que lleva canela y hojas de limón. Se pone a hervir primero el agua con la canela para que suelte ese saborcito a canela. Vamos a poner el arroz y sus hojas de limón. En cuanto hierva un rato le vamos a poner su leche, la lechera y clavel para que quede sabroso. Vamos a echarle un poquito de vainilla. Ahorita le probamos, Bueno, ya nuestro arroz está casi listo. Le vamos a poner las pasitas. Bueno, a Sandy no le gustan las pasitas, así que no le vamos a poner pasitas o cada quien que le ponga a su plato, porque en realidad hay mucha gente que no le gustan las pasas.
Sí. Okay, let's try Señora Mari's rice pudding. It looks absolutely delicious and creamy. Wow, this is amazing. It's such a simple recipe to make, but it's so full of flavor. The cinnamon with a little hint of vanilla. I love it. This recipe is so delicious. Such a simple dessert that you guys can take to any family get together. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much to Señora Mari from El Rincón de María for sharing this recipe, for teaching me how to make a really good, creamy, traditional Mexican rice pudding. Now, before we go, if you would like to see more content about Mexican gastronomy and Mexican culture, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Till next time, Chinita out.